Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. The badminton match has been arranged to be played later instead of 10 in the morning. Which word is going to replace this phrase? The correct option is B. Postponed. Question 2. A few spectators were not allowed to go into the stadium because they were not on time. Which word replaces on time? The correct option is A. Punctual. Question 3. Although Sam is a fresh player, he proves to be very talented and scores many points for his team. The correct option is B. New. Question 4. The people watching the concert were very impressed by the performers. The correct option is A. Spectators. Question 5. The chicken rice seller is very sick and is not able to open his stall for many days. The correct option is B. Hawker. Question 6. It is not safe to play with sharp objects. The correct option is B. Dangerous. Question 7. The show was not dull, it was so good that we wanted to watch it again, said Sam. The correct option is A. Exciting. Question 8. We will talk about the problems faced by the team during the meeting. The correct option is A. Discuss. Question 9. The class was told to be silent throughout the test. The correct option is B. Quiet. Question 10. It is hard for the judges to decide who should be the winner as both of them performed equally well. The correct option is A. Tough. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. The sheep dash on the hill every day. The correct option is B. Graze. The sheep graze on the hill every day. Question 12. My mother is a dash. She helps doctors care for patients. The correct option is B. My mother is a nurse. She helps doctors care for patients. Question 13. The principal dashed Larry for doing well in the match. The correct option is C. Praised. The principal praised Larry for doing well in the match. Question 14. You will need dash when you play snakes and ladders. The correct option is C. Dice. You will need dice when you play snakes and ladders. Question 15. I visit the dash once every 6 months to check my teeth. The correct option is C. Dentist. Question 16. We can't use the field. It's for a dash game. The correct option is A. Badminton. Question 17. The dash cheered loudly to show their support for the team. The correct option is B. Spectators. The spectators cheered loudly to show their support for the team. Question 18. Being a good runner, Alex has won many dash over the years. The correct option is A. Trophies. Being a good runner, Alex has won many trophies over the years. Question 19. Colin is a good dash who learns from mistakes and praises others. The correct option is A. Winner. Colin is a good winner who learns from mistakes and praises others. Question 20. The boys were punished because they dashed during the game. Comment down the correct answer. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.